MEDICOS. This channel provides you tips and tricks to learn recollect med school topics in a better way. Do you know each human being having almost as many as connections are there in a grains of sand in this whole world? Without any delay, let's get started with the nervous system. But before that, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. The system is basically divided into two types: central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. Central nervous system is where all the information goes into and comes from, and all the information is stored. Peripheral nervous system is responsible for bringing and takes out information, depending upon which it is classified again into sensory or efferent division, motor or efferent division. Sensory or efferent component provides information to the CNS via various senses through sensory neurons, may it be unipolar or bipolar neurons. Motor or efferent division takes information from the CNS through efferent nerves, depending upon movement, may it be voluntary or involuntary, again divided into somatic nervous system and autonomic nervous system. Somatic nervous system control voluntary movement. The nervous system is concerned with the regulation of visceral and vegetative functions, so it is otherwise known as vegetative nervous system or involuntary nervous system. It is again divided into two types: sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system. Main differences between sympathetic and parasympathetic is it has a different action. Both the actions are always opposite, and sympathetic, it prepares for emergency situation, hence it is known as fight or flight, and parasympathetic converts and restores body and its energy, hence it is known as rest or digest and rest or relaxation. Recap: nervous system has three important functions. It receives sensory input from various organs, and all the processing, interpretation and integration occurs in the CNS, and it sends the motor output to the target organ. For watching, don't forget to like,